Hey guys, welcome back, and this week I'm going to create the infinite transition effect from A$AP Rocky's music video. Before we start, I'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone that subscribed last week. I was hoping to get to 150, but as of right now I'm on 201, so thank you so much. Back to the tutorial. You'll need to film the scenes before you start, so let's go to that. As you know from the video, you need a lot of different locations where you can pan across so that the different scenes blend into each other. When filming, it's important to pay attention to your surroundings as you need a foreground element. These are necessary for the effect, otherwise you don't have anything to mask around to create the transition. When filming, I would use a gimbal that would steady the shot. However, as I don't have one, I'm going to move the camera and try and hold it as still as I can. This can be filmed from left to right or whatever side you like. Just remember to maintain the direction going through the entire effect. So if you start left to right, stick with it. If you start right to left, stick with it. Okay, now we have all the shots. Let's jump into Premiere Pro and import all the images. From here, place all the shots you want in the right order on your timeline. Now we can start masking. Starting with the first clip, look for a foreground element that you can use to mask out. We have one at the end of our clip. Next, look at the point of where your foreground element is completely in the shot. Go to the Effects Control panel. Under Opacity, you can find the pen tool for creating custom masks. Now, create a detailed mask of it. We are creating a mask here to make it easier to keyframe it on and off the screen. So move this video layer up to video layer 2. Underneath the mask, you will see that it's starting to introduce the next video. Go back to the Effects Control panel and enable the animation in the mask part. The only thing you have to do now is animate the mask while going back in time until the foreground element is off screen. Then do the reverse and follow it to the other side of the screen. Try and do this as precise as possible, as any error will be very visible. For the next step, align the underlayer clip. And that's pretty much it. Keep repeating these steps for the rest of the clips. And you're done! I've got some feedback this week and I was asked to slow down the video. So let me know in the comments below if I've done that. As always, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for everything, and I'll see you next week.